Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locking in controls. Set mouse DPI between 800 and 1600 and bind sprint to one finger-friendly key. Once done, test mounted camera sensitivity so turns feel smooth. Make sure horizontal aim doesn't jerk. Mount your horse, face the intended direction, then press and hold sprint for about 1/2 second to charge the dash. This initial hold primes stamina and movement momentum, letting you chain the dash reliably instead of accidentally tapping and stalling. Once your charge is ready, release sprint, then tap it again quickly. Aim for a window between 1/4 and 1/2 second to trigger the dash. Simultaneously give a short forward input and a subtle mouse push toward your target to lock direction. This balances momentum with steering. If you start drifting off course, use tiny counter strafes immediately to correct course while keeping camera movement gentle. This sequence lets you dash in a controlled arc without wasting stamina or overshooting your mark. To finish cleanly, ease off sprint and hold a soft forward input so the horse decelerates smoothly and you keep control. If the dash doesn't trigger, verify your stamina isn't depleted, confirm your tap timing, and test for key rollover issues on your keyboard. Practice short 30 to 60-second drills focusing only on the charge-release tap rhythm until it becomes muscle memory. A single troubleshooting tip: if inputs feel inconsistent, lower mouse sensitivity and slow the tap timing slightly until reliability returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.